Hello there. Thank you for your interest in Exipure. This is a 100% natural weight loss formula that can effectively help you burn fat quickly and achieve your weight loss goals. Exipure uniquely addresses the root cause of body fat, going beyond typical weight loss products. The 8 plant extracts contained in Exipure are scientifically proven to effectively increase the amount of brown adipose tissue in the body. What is brown fat? It is a type of fat tissue that burns calories highly efficiently. The more of it you have, the faster your body burns fat. Exipure ignites your brown fat, continuously helping you burn calories and fat, avoiding fat accumulation. This is why Exipure works much better than other weight loss products and produces quick results. Tens of millions have already proven Exipure's weight loss effects and successfully lost 20, 30 or even more pounds with it. After using it myself for 2 months, I've lost 15 pounds of fat, which is like a miracle for me. My physical strength has also improved significantly, and I no longer feel tired all the time. Exipure is suitable for both men and women, with no side effects. It is convenient to use, just take 1 pill daily. Exipure currently has huge discount offers on its official website, with buy 3 get 2 free, making each bottle more affordable. Click on the link below this video and take action now. I hope Exipure can also help you successfully achieve your weight loss goals and obtain your dream figure. Remember, good things are worth the wait, persistency is victory.